Good morning, everyone. And today I would like to do stuff about our support system. So we have our support that is our body and our torso, but we also have, oh, my dog joined me today. We have a support system that is our face and our head and neck and all of that stuff. So I wanted to tune into that today. But first, let's just start with a little bit of neutral larynx and relaxation. So I want you to breathe in, breathe out, and let's just make some nice, comfortable sounds. And just checking in with your posture and your larynx. And do some nice light sirens. Just feel how things feel. Good. So basically, our head and neck anchor, which is what Estelle calls it, but basically pop singers and all kinds of singers have some sort of weird look on their face when they sing, right? So let's try being very, very relaxed with our face, and we're going to do a siren. And just feel how that feels. And now I want you to feel like you're lifting your ears, spreading your nose, opening your mouth like you're about to yawn, but don't lower your larynx. And now do a siren. And for me, it's so much louder, it's so much easier, it feels supported, and my larynx could stay relaxed and neutral the whole time. Good. So I'm going to mention that as we do today a little bit. So I want you to reach up with one hand, breathe in to this hand, and then breathe out on a s. Good. Reach up, breathe into this hand, and then breathe out. Good, and twist. Breathe in and breathe out. Good, and twist the other way. And breathe out. Good. So, in order to get us engaged with our lower support, we're going to do some of those. You can do zzz or zh, whatever you feel. And some people find that helpful. And I want you to just check in with your posture, keeping your larynx nice and relaxed, and feeling like the support is all coming right from down here. Ready? If you see my face, it's already engaged. I'm sending out my lips a little bit. Make the sound kind of like twangy. And then it won't be so rough on your larynx. Like you're doing it for a little kid. Yeah. Good. And so next we're going to do some Star Wars. Zzz. So feeling the lift in your ears, the spreading in your nose, and we're going to do, let's try this on NG actually. And now try one unanchored again, just really relax. And it just doesn't feel good, does it? And now lifting, creating space on the inside of your mouth. A lot of voice teachers used to talk about lifting your soft palate, but that really does weird things to my larynx. So I like thinking about it this way. Lifting your ears, spreading your nose, biting the apple. Feeling a lift in the roof of your mouth. Ready? Really feel your nose buzzing while you do it. Good. Zzz. Let's do zzz. Noticing my face again, yeah? Yeah, it's not good for the wrinkles. Good. Zzz. That's what we're doing. So let's do some I'm getting that one confused with Star Wars now. It's been happening in the last few days. So, yeah, so you don't want to just lift your chin in this exercise and stick your tongue out. You want to lift and brace, feel like you're lifting all through here. Lifting from your cheekbones up. Feeling that nose spread. And then sticking out your tongue. Ready? We're relaxing your jaw. Good. I really feel that support is all coming from right down here. Good. Another one. Good. Reaching up. One more, drop down if it's too high. Good. Excellent. So, let's try some, we've been doing these a lot lately. Good. And I want you to make this, as you go down, make the low notes soft. And the way you do that is through this support system. Ready? Ladies are all up. Making it nice and soft. Good. And let's do some ba 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 ba. We're gonna do ba 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 today for a little bit. So yeah, let's do this one without any anchor again. Ba 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 ba. Now do it with some port, anchor. Ba 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 ba. Good. Ba 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 ba. The B helps to lower your larynx a little bit. Sharon, that'd be good for you. Ba 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 ba. Good. Ba 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 ba. Let's try ba ga ba ga ba ga ba ga ba. Ba ga ba ga ba ga ba. That's fun. Ba ga ba ga ba ga ba. Let's try bogo. Bogo 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 bo. Bogo 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 bo. And let's go back to baga. Baga 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 ba. Nice and anchored. Baga ga baga baga. I messed that one up. Baga 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 ba. Ladies, you can stay on the ba, and I'm gonna move to ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Whew. That's a lot of work today. So, let's do a maybe my mommy may move to Miami without any head and neck anchor. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami and maybe my mommy may not. And now, lift your ears, spread your nose, lift the roof, feel the lift, and then you'll feel the sound come forward too. Ready? Maybe my mommy may move to Miami and maybe my mommy may not. Relax your lips and let the M's be fairly long. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami and maybe my mommy may not. And ready, another one. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami and maybe my mommy may not. Great. Thanks, guys. Have a good week. Today is the belt workshop this afternoon at 2, and next week there's a foam rolling workshop. It's free, and it's on Eventbrite, and or I can send you the link, let me know. And yeah, that's about it for now. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.